How do you think this is going to stand in the face of the law? Because does the law punish intent or the actual action? Because if they say
no,
they
both
were planning,
both are
of them.
punished. Section 41 of the Criminal Code Act provides that anyone who forms an intention to remove the president of the country during his term of office is deemed to have committed treasonable felony. Right? But if it's the actual, the action
like mobilizing
to remove the
troops.
government, well, yes, mobilizing troops and moving maybe to the presidential palace, like the case of Benin, that is treason. That is covered by Section 37 of the Constitution, which provides for death penalty. But if it's an attempt, it's life imprisonment. I mean, I'm sure you will recall when the Babangida military junta charged some of us with treasonable felony in Gogoladagia. We made it clear. The late Chief Pawemi and I said, told the chief magistrate, no, this law is not meant to protect a military dictator. Because, and the judge said, Mr. Falana, what do you mean? I said, my lord, the man has no fixed term of office. He was not elected by anybody. So he cannot be removed other than by a coup. So he cannot be removed by election. And that was what the lawmakers had in mind. So when you are dealing with a military dictator, and you know what General Babangida then did was to go and enact a special law, treason and treasonable offenses decree. Yeah. So, but that was what we did tell the military authorities. You can't charge me with treasonable felony. I mean, there's no way you can overthrow a military dictator by election. And that provision is saying during his term of office. If you were not elected for a 4-year period, you can't be talking of planning to remove you during your term of office. But in this case, but I think there was another statement made yesterday that the report was going to be sent to the president.
Yes.
No.
That's not the procedure.
No, it's not the business of the president to get involved in investigation reports of criminal offenses in the country. That report has to go, or should go to the office of the Attorney General, who should prosecute, because we're talking of treason.